Hello friends. This is Caesar from PS Tuteler. Quite a while ago I did a tutorial how to repair an old document. Today I will show you how to convert an image file into text. I will show two different ways we can convert an image into editable text file. Let's get started with delay. First open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Click on File and open that image. Choose Select All Files. Select that image file. It is in PNG format. Select and open this file. It's easier to make it editable. Click on Tools and you will see many options. Click on Edit PDF. Click on Yes. It will take some time to process. And here it is, editable file. You can make changes in this file. It was an image file converted into text file. I will make some changes in it. You can save this file as PDF after changes. You can choose different folder to save it. Or you can save it as MS Word file. I will save it on desktop. It will view result after saving. Click on Save. It will convert and save as MS Word. Here that image file has opened in MS Word. You can see some correction need here. Correct the errors because it is text file. This is way we can make an image into text file. No matter it is JPEG or PNG image file. Let's jump to other method. Open MS Word and click on Insert. Then click on Pictures. That is image file, so we will insert image. Select File and click on Insert. Click on Warp Text and choose in front of text. It is an image and not editable. To make it editable, click on View. Click on Outline. Click on Show Document. Click on Insert. Document should in PDF format. So we will save this image files as PDF. Go to File, Save As, Browse. I will save at desktop. Choose PDF and save as type. Uncheck Open File after publishing. Then click on Save. This image file is saved as PDF. Now click on View. Then click on Outline. Click on Show Document. Click on Insert. Select PDF file we saved earlier and open it. Click on OK for this dialog box. Here is editable PDF file. Click on Close Outline View. Here is image file converted to text file. You can edit or make changes in this file. You can delete this image file. Remain in editable text. So make changes or correction. Then you can save this file. You can save it as MS Word file. Or you can save it as PDF. This is how we can convert an image into text. I hope it will help you. Hit like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks for watching.